What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So in past few vlogs I've been talking a lot about my new daily, my DC5 RSX. So some of the stuff that I want to get, one was a key fob. So another thing was the carpet. So it does have carpet, but it just doesn't have the extra piece right here. So that's what I did. I ordered some carpet, a little bit dirty right now. But yeah, I think the carpets just came in. I have this box over here. So let's go ahead and open it up and check out how it looks. So here they are. So I just went with some simple black ones. These go in the rear and these in the front. So it says Mugen equipped over here. I'm pretty sure this isn't the real Mugen floor mats because I got it for a pretty good price. I think I paid like 60 or 70 bucks for it. I know some of you guys might be like, why floor mats so expensive? But they go a long way. So yeah, pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on and see how they look. So let's go ahead and throw on the passenger side first. So like I said, pretty nasty looking right now, but ooh, just fits right in. It's good to see forward a little bit. Damn, looks so much cleaner. Now time for the driver's side. So slap it right on. So I usually recommend vacuuming it first, which I already did, but yeah, looks good, looks good. So here is the driver's side and passenger side. And right now let me go ahead and throw on the rear. So super easy. Like I said, no installation tools needed. It just fits right on. The rear had 3 pieces. And bam, I have the rears installed. Pretty nice. Like I said, it's really simple, just in black, but to me, I build this all in the little details. And now for the finishing touch, well, actually I'm gonna leave it. So there's a little thin film right here that you could just peel off. It's transparent film. I'm just gonna leave it on for protection, just to protect this nice little Mugen badge. What do you guys think? I hope you guys like this simple carpet install. That's the thing about new builds. Whenever you get a new car, the new mods always start cheap and small, and that's what I like, because you can just buy a bunch of cheap mods. So yeah, carpet's done. You guys will see in an upcoming video, I'll be programming the key fob. That video will be coming up real soon, so stay tuned for that. We do have an exhaust on the way as well, a Yonaka Motorsports exhaust. So another exhaust video coming up on the channel, because the current one, I believe some sort of eBay exhaust, is really loud. And then what else? Some LED interior lights are on the way as well. So small little stuff. I might add window visors as well. What do you guys think? Would you guys like to see some window visors? That might be pretty cool. I had them on my RSX, and then no longer have them now, but the build is slowly but surely coming along. Like I said, I'll do small little stuff to touch it up, like trimming this exhaust hole out. It kind of bugs me. Some touch-up paint coming here soon as well, so I'll touch up the paint a little bit on small little spots. But yeah, this video is just super simple. Like I said, sometimes it's not about how much you spend on the car, it's not about what kind of mods. It's not every mod that you're gonna throw a big turbo on the car or throw, like, you know, crazy suspension on the car. Sometimes these cheap and small simple mods are really exciting as well. To me they are. Like I said, the floor mats weren't too bad. I'm pretty sure if you go to like AutoZone or something like that, you can buy like $20–30 floor mats. But you know, JDM points, Mugen is a huge Honda thing, so I think they look really good. And even just a simple wash inside out also makes the car look so much cleaner and nicer. So I really like the gram lights on it, like I said. Oh, another thing, we also have the quick release bumper fasteners coming soon. I ordered black ones just because, I don't know, the purple kind of stands out too much. For me, I like a clean look. I don't like too many colors on the car. I personally think 2 or 3 color schemes on the car is good enough. I think what I'll do, so the general color obviously is blue. I'll probably do like a blue, black and red theme on the whole car. I say that because wheels are already black with some red stickers and red center caps. The tail lights are red, and you know, I think it'll be nice to have those colors on the car. What do you guys think? So again, I hope you guys like the RSX videos. I hope you guys are excited for it. We still have more videos coming on the SI as well as my Mitsubishi Lancer GT. It's just that I know new mods of those cars, so less videos. My turbo Mitsubishi Lancer, I haven't started it for about 4 weeks now, so battery is dead. I'm trying to charge it up, so hopefully she starts right up after the charge. My SI, unfortunately, is still being fixed at the shop, still waiting to be fixed after getting rear-ended. If you guys didn't hear, I got rear-ended, small little mishap, but yeah, somebody hit me on the back of my SI. My HFP rear lip is damaged, part of the rear bumper is damaged, but it is fixable, car still drives. So yeah, she's just sitting at the shop. So hope you guys like it. Again, if you guys are new, leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.